Hi, I'm Pradeep Garg, President from Faridabad. I was suffering from high diabetes for last 20 years, but I met Dr. Bala, and within 25 days, my sugar level came down, and I was taking 60 units a day.
Insulin, am I right?
Insulin, yeah. Insulin, I was taking 60 units a day, but now I'm taking 16 units within 25 days. My creatinine level and microbiome level was too high, and I was supposed to be on dialysis at one time. But now everything is normal, under control. Because of Dr. Bala, I've been survived now very nicely. All the tablets have been stopped like anything. So I thank Dr. Bala again and again for giving me a new life for that.
Wonderful, wonderful, my dear friend. And this is just a brilliant achievement, because diabetes is one of the biggest reasons for the suffering all over the world.
Yeah.
And people are really have no means
Yeah.
to come out of that, and they fail to realize the solution is inside you. Insulin or a tablet cannot give you the solution for diabetes. You need to work on yourself, and you proved it by a colossal margin.
My insulin, that my doctor, he told me this is not possible because last 15 years I was taking continuous insulin. Well, all 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. But he was shocked yesterday when I went to doctor. He was shocked that this can be happen like anything. Like I told, come to Dr. Bala and just give the people that he can do anything in this world. Nobody in India can do this again and again. I'm just thankful to Dr. Bala.
So sweet of you, so sweet of you. But more than this message and this transformation, what you have done, I've termed it also. It is called as a non-sugary transformation, actually. So that's wonderful.
I request everybody to come to Dr. Bala if your name is diabetic, high diabetic. I just request everybody to come to Dr. Bala and have a treatment, big treatment. Within 24 days, it is a wonder for me. Like
that's so sweet of you. Now you're going to leave a big message to everyone in India and all over the world, because your case we are going to present in British Society of Lifestyle Medicine. It's one of the biggest forums in the world where we are going to present your case with all evidences how you transformed from such a high sugar level of 205 to 105 in just 25 days, and stopping your insulin intake, which was 60 units, and to bring it to 16 units, and your creatinine level was so high, your microalbumin and creatinine ratio was too high. This all brought to control to the normal level, even less than normal, in 25 days time, and especially your liver enzymes, which were too high, which is brought to absolutely control level in just 25 days. It's a brilliant transformation, my dear friend.
this is because of Dr. Bala. Nobody can do this because I've tried many ways and I've tried many things for that, but it was not coming down. Insulin was down, my skin problem is over, everything is over. Like I'm living a beautiful life now within 25 days. I think it will be another 2-3 months. I'll be more fit, and I can show the body also what I can make with.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. And I'm sure your next 20 years is going to be brilliant, and you will live a disease-free life. And the tribute, the actual happiness what you can give me is living the same way for the next 20 years.
Yeah, Dr. Bala, because of you, I can do that also.
Wonderful, my friend.
I can live life like anything, like normal people. Like I was suffering from many high diabetes, like to 300, 350, something like that. Now my normal level is 105. That's all.
That's wonderful.
So I'm stopping all the tablets. Just 1 or 2 tablets I'm taking. That also I was taking 8 tablets a day.
8 tablets a day.
Yeah, that has been stopped. Only 2 tablets are left every day.
Lovely. And we will stop the 2 tablet also.
That
in
will
a
stop
while.
within 25 days. We'll stop that also.
Perfect.
So this is the best way. I request people to please come and have us and look to me and talk to me, Dr. Bala.
Yeah. Now your life is going to be a lesson to millions of people, not only in India, throughout the world, because the whole suffering because of diabetes is enormous. It's huge and humongous. Now you have set an example to all those people to fight diabetes, because the solution is inside your body. Not in a hospital, not in a tablet, not in insulin. The solution is inside you, and you have proved it beautifully by a big margin. Fantastic, my dear friend.
Thank
Keep
you,
it up.
Dr. Bala. Thank you, Dr. Bala, again and again for giving me a new life. Thank you.
Lovely. Take care.